हेलो स्टूडेंट, पीकेएस फिजिक्स क्लासेज में आपका वेलकम है। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला फॉर कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है। व्हाट इट इज? दिस इज ए कॉन्वेक्स लेंस। इट इज ए प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस्ड एट पॉइंट O, light ray incident on the first spherical surface. This is the normal for first spherical surface N1 that is deviated from the normal, and after that this is normal to light ray denser to rare medium, so it is also be deviated from normal. It is also be deviated from normal and away from the normal. Because why? Because light ray passing through denser to rare medium. So this is deviation number 1, this is deviation number 2. Image formed at I dash. It is working as a virtual object for spherical second spherical surface. I dash is working as a virtual object for second spherical surface. So that is considered as B dash and that is U. These are the distances from the optical center. Now this is T. T is the thickness of lens, but lens is very thin, then we can ignore T. We can ignore T in case of thin lens. In case of thin lens. So now I am using thin lens. So this is the consideration. R1 and R2 are the radius of curvature for first spherical surface and second spherical surface. Now using refraction formula, mu upon B minus 1 upon U is equal to mu minus 1 over R. For first spherical surface, light rays from going here to glass, so A mu G upon what is image distance B dash minus 1 upon U, A mu G minus 1 over R1, because this is the radius of curvature R1 from. And for second spherical surface, light rays glass to air, that means glass to air. What is the image distance B and what is the object? That is the distance for object, virtual object B dash G mu A minus 1 and radius of second spherical surface. We know that G mu A is equal to 1 upon A mu G, so A mu G upon B and 1 upon B dash, 1 upon A mu G minus 1 upon R2. Now multiply by A mu G, both side, left hand side and right hand side. A mu G multiply by A mu G upon B, A mu G upon B dash, A mu G upon B dash, and after this multiply in this and this equal to this. So here A mu G से A mu G cancel, A mu G से A mu G cancel. What is here? 1 over B, 1 over B, A mu G over B dash, A mu G over B dash, and minus A mu G minus 1 over R2. Adding equation number 1 and 2. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Add left hand side in left hand side and right hand side in right hand side. So this is the left hand side of 1, this is the left hand side of 2. Right hand side, these are the similar terms, plus minus, so these are cancelled. 1 upon B minus 1 upon U is equal to A mu G as common, 1 over R1 minus 1 over R2. If object placed at infinity, then image formed at focus. So here 1 over F, 1 over infinity, A mu G minus 1, 1 over R1 minus 1 over R2. 1 upon infinity, we know that what is the value of that? That is 0. So here 0. So 1 over F is equal to A mu G minus 1, A mu G minus 1 and 1 over R1 minus 1 over R2. This is known as lens maker formula. It is very important for the perspective of board examination. बहुत अच्छा है, बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में आता रहता है और अच्छे से आप इसको करिएगा। थैंक यू, आपको अच्छे समझ आ गया होगा। फिर भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कॉल करें, कमेंट्स करें, मेरे चैनल पीकेएस फिजिक्स क्लासेस को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर दैट टॉपिक।